Hey there, fed up with the hassle of manually opening downloaded files in Google Chrome? Well, fret not. In this brief guide, I'll walk you through how to set Google Chrome to automatically open downloaded files on your Windows computer. Let's dive right in, shall we? To get started, fire up your Chrome browser on your PC. Now click on the three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the screen. After that, hit Settings from the drop-down menu. Next up, navigate to Downloads in the menu on the left side. Once you're there, you'll spot the Show Downloads When You're Done option. Toggle that bad boy on. From now on, whenever a file finishes downloading, you'll receive a notification accompanying by a nifty little pop-up in the upper right corner of the screen. Simply right-click on the downloaded files from there. Then select Always Open File for this type. Voila! From this moment onwards, any file of that type you download will open automatically. And there you have it. That's how you can effortlessly open downloads in Google Chrome on your PC. If you found this video helpful, then smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.